Hole saw sets and kits are essential tools for any professional or DIY enthusiast who needs to create precise and clean holes in various materials. There are many products available to choose hole saw sets and kits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best hole saw sets and kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics 9-Piece Bimetal High-Speed Steel Hole Saw Kit. The Amazon Basics Hole Saw Kit is a versatile 9-piece set designed to tackle various materials like mild steel, aluminum, plastic, and plasterboard. This makes it perfect for carpentry, plumbing, and construction projects. Crafted from durable high-speed bimetal steel, the kit ensures smooth cutting and longevity. The included carrying case allows for easy storage and transport, so you can take your tools wherever you need them. With various hole saw sizes provided, you'll be equipped to handle a range of tasks efficiently. Number 2. Kata Hole Saw Set 20 PCS Hole Saw Kit. The Kata Hole Saw Set includes 13 ultra-sharp serrated saw blades, ranging in size from 3/4" -6 and made of premium heat-treated carbon steel with black coating. The set also includes 2 mandrels, 3 drill bits, 1 hex key, and 1 installation plate, all packaged in a heavy-duty case with designated slots to keep everything organized. This set is ideal for softwood, plywood, plastic plate, plasterboard, and thin PVC board, and is compatible with standard electric and impact drills. Not recommended for cutting hard metal, hardwood, density board, or cutting depths beyond 1 inch, 25 millimeters. Number 3. ZKH 19 PCS Hole Saw Kit. The ZKH Hole Saw Kit offers precision cutting with its M42 cobalt teeth, allowing you to cut 30% faster than traditional saws. This feature enhances your efficiency during various projects. Built from ultra-high-strength alloy steel, the saws are designed to withstand tough conditions, ensuring long-lasting use. The unique teeth configuration reduces vibration, resulting in smooth and stable cutting on different materials like metal and wood. Plus, with a maximum cutting depth of 1/3/4, you can tackle a variety of tasks, from installing door locks to creating openings for LED lights, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Number 4. Horisty Hole Saw Set 24 PCS Hole Saw Kit. The Horisty Hole Saw Kit is a comprehensive set designed to make your drilling tasks efficient and straightforward. With 17 saw blades ranging from 3/4 inch to 6 inch, you can tackle various projects with ease. The high-quality carbon steel construction ensures durability, allowing you to use the kit repeatedly without wear. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included mandrels and drill bits, which help you set up quickly and swap parts effortlessly. The ultra-sharp serrations enable precise drilling through softwood, drywall, and plastic, making this kit perfect for your DIY and home improvement endeavors. Number 5. Life Ideas Bimetal Hole Saw Kit. The Life Ideas Hole Saw Set includes 12 different blades, ranging from 3/4 inch to 1/2, allowing you to tackle a variety of projects with ease. The high-speed steel construction ensures quick and clean cuts through materials like metal, wood, and PVC, making your work more efficient. Designed with a spiral chip flute, it effectively removes debris in all directions, enhancing your cutting experience. Additionally, the set features a convenient portable storage case, keeping all your tools organized and easy to transport so you're always ready for your next task.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.